I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a quick note from anywhere using your control center on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So the first thing you're going to do is open up your control center by swiping down from the top right corner, and then we'll make sure that we're in the top section of our control center. Now here we're going to tap and hold on the screen outside of any of where the icons are, and I'm going to remove one of these icons just so we can add this quick note in there. So we'll tap on the bottom where it says add a control. So you can see there are some suggestions here that most people like to put. I would just tap the quick note here if it's available. If not, you can type in right here, quick note, and then it will come up. Make sure to put the quick note rather than notes. You tap that there. Now you can tap outside of any of the apps and it will show you your control center. Now in your control center, if you'd like to open a quick note, you just tap that little icon and boom, a quick note comes up. You can type in whatever you'd like, and when you're ready, you can tap save.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.